Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to merge 2 or 3 cells in Excel. Okay, so if you want to merge cells in Excel, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have selected this 3 cells. Okay, I want to merge it, okay, to B2, C2 and D2. So what you have to do, first you have to select the cell which you want to merge. Okay, so I want to merge this cell. Okay, so you have to just select all the cells, and then here you will see merge and center option. Okay, and home tab. Now here you will see merge and center, merge across, merge cell and unmerged cell. Okay, so I want to merge and center. You can choose the merge and center, then you will see this cell is merged. Okay, now you can write anything and it will go across all the cells you have selected. Okay, so like this you can merge cells in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.